Good afternoon, sir. My reflection about self and families. Understanding my role in the family. Reflection on my place within my family. I recognize the intricate web of relationships that shape who I am. My family is my first community where I learn about love, responsibility, and identity. I see myself as blend of inherited traits and experiences, molded by interaction with each family member. As child, I was the observer, as observing values and behaviors. As I grew, I became a contributor, taking on responsibilities and offering support. Family dynamics have significantly influenced by personality and values. The way we communicate, resolve conflicts, and celebrate success has shaped my approach to relationships outside the family. I've learned the importance of empathy, patience, and compromise. Acknowledging both positive and negative aspects of my family experiences is crucial for personal growth. That's all, sir.